Hi, good evening, everyone.
Hello.
So, yeah, myself, Jatin. So I'm working with Radical Technologies since past few years, and I've been providing training in different technologies and courses. So, yeah. So basically, the data analytics is a combo course, right?
Okay.
Combo course, as in it is a combination of four things: Excel, SQL, Python, and Power BI. This course is a combination of four things. Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, I'm audible.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, you are audible.
So this course is a combination of four things. So in the beginning, we have the basic part, like what is data, like different types of data analytics, like data analytics life cycle, business understanding. So like I've clubbed all of this into one chapter. So that is the foundation chapter, which we have in the beginning. Then we will move on to the Excel part, where we have the Excel basics, like the Excel interface, shortcuts, sorting, filtering, cleaning, flash fill, formulas, different categories of formulas, like logical formulas, lookup formulas, date and time formulas, mathematical formulas, like different categories of formulas, like because they are very helpful. Then we have the data analysis part, where we do conditional formatting, data analysis, different techniques, etc. Like the data analysis part. Then we have the pivot tables and pivot charts. Like, so because in Excel also you can create graphs, and we are going to create a whole dashboard in Excel. So for creating the individual graphs, you require to create a pivot table first. So we're going to learn how to create a pivot table, and out of that pivot table, we create a pivot chart, which is a graph. So different types of graphs, and we are going to create a like a full-fledged dashboard as well. Then we have Power Query, right? Like the Power Query editor, like how you can do different types of operations in the Power Query editor, right? Like it's a functionality in Excel, so you can open that Power Query editor and you can write formulas, right? You can write DAX formulas, DAX, which is that concept is there in Power BI as well. It is there in Excel also. And finally, the dashboards, like why are dashboards important? Like how does a dashboard look, etc. And I'm going to build one also for you, and you will be also building one on your own. So this is the Excel part. So any doubts in the Excel part, anyone? Any
No.
any questions or doubts in the Excel part?
No, sir.
Harish?
No, no, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in Excel, which formulas we are going to run?
So there are different kinds of formulas which we are going to see. So I'll show you that PPT just 1 minute, because like I use these kind of PPTs to teach. Like
Okay.
so we are going to see these many categories of formulas. So like you can see 1 minute. So Harish,
Yes.
hello. Yeah. So we
Yes.
have to look at different categories of formulas. Like firstly, we are going to look at how you can make your own formula. Along with that, we are going to see
Okay.
the different types of formulas, like numeric, like these are like how to make your own formula, and the functions are of different types, like numerical functions, statistical functions, text functions, date and time functions, logical functions, lookup functions, conditional functions. So like we have like a bunch of functions. We have, and have
Okay.
bifurcated different categories.
Okay. Okay.
Right? And formula is like something
Yes.
which you make on your own, right? You make your own formula. So how to make that, the stepwise we're going to see,
Yes. Yes.
right? So yeah, any other questions anyone has in the Excel part?
Oh, no, sir.
All clear?
Yes.
Okay. Then we move on to the SQL part, right? Where we have the SQL fundamentals, like what is database, what is RDBMS, DDL, DML, DCL, all those fundamentals we have. Then we have like different kinds of clauses, right? Where clause, and, or, between, in, like, order by, group by, and different kinds of clauses. Then we have the join queries chapter, where we learn about the four kinds of joins, and how to create a custom join query as well, right? How to connect tables using foreign key, and then how to use these joins and write your own custom join query as well, like according to your requirement. But we have that in this. Then we have the aggregation and grouping, where we are going to learn different kinds of aggregate functions, like count, sum, average, min, max, right? So this is the aggregate functions chapter. So basically these two things, actually, joins, tables, relationships, and aggregation, I've clubbed these two in one chapter actually in my PPTs. So because they are very interrelated, that's why. Then we have subqueries and nested queries, like how to write a nested query, like query inside a query. Because what happens is that the output of one query becomes the input for the another query. So like nested query, as in when you write a query inside a query. So the output of the inner query becomes the input for the outer query, right? So that we are going to learn. And in the advanced SQL part, we have these functions like the window functions, rank, dense rank, row number, CTE, case statements. So we have this entire separate advanced SQL chapter on these functions. So this will be the SQL part. So like anyone has any doubts or questions regarding the SQL part?
No, sir.
Harish,
No.
Saraj,
No, sir.
No.
Harish, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, perfect. Then we move on to the Power BI part. Sorry, 1 minute. Yeah, then we move on to the Python part. Sorry, Power BI is last. Then we move on to the Python part. In Python, we have like the basics of Python first, like what is Python, how to install it, different variables, data types, operators, conditional statements, if else, loops. Then we are going to study different kinds of data structures like list, set, tuple, dictionaries. Like these are different kinds of data structures and how to manipulate data in them. Then we will move on to the four libraries of data science: NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. So in NumPy, we have like the arrays and all the mathematical, like because NumPy is numerical Python. It's a short form, basically. It's a short form for numerical Python. So we are going to move to NumPy, which where we are going to see all the, like it's completely mathematical based, right? Numerical Python. Then we move to the Pandas, which is used for the data manipulation part. And in Pandas itself, I've clubbed this part also, the EDA part, that is exploratory data analysis, right? The exploratory data analysis part I've merged in the Pandas part itself, right? In my PPTs, here it is shown segregated, but I've like here like you must have observed also that I've merged many topics into chapters, like I've bifurcated them on my according to according to my PPTs, but yeah. So like we in this we have like what is series data frames, how to read data from different files like CSV, Excel, how to clean your data, handle missing values, etc. Like all of this data manipulation part where you manipulate the data and you prepare it for visualization. Because in Pandas, you can say that we are preparing the data for visualizing it in a graph, right? So we are preparing it for that. Then we come to the data visualization part where we have Matplotlib and Seaborn libraries because these two are used for data visualization. So Matplotlib is something where you plot very basic kind of graphs like a line graph, a bar graph, a pie chart, or like a scatter plot or something. But in Seaborn is a more advanced version of Matplotlib where you have advanced, more attractive and interactive plots available. Right, there are many categories of plots like regression plots, like categorical plots, statistical plots, etc. Many categories. Right, in that like we are going to see n number of graphs in Seaborn, much more than Matplotlib. But then the reason we are learning Matplotlib is because without Matplotlib you cannot use Seaborn. Seaborn requires Matplotlib as Seaborn is just an extension to Matplotlib. It's not separate. Right. So here after this we are going to build a dashboard here also. Right, we are going to learn a dashboard here also in Python, right? Similarly, what we did in Excel. So that dashboard, I'm going to build a dashboard for you and you will be recreating it also. Like you'll be creating your own also. So that will become two major projects. So one from Excel and one from Python. So any doubts in the Python part, anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Okay. So basically, till now you will be creating two major projects and one more you will be creating from Power BI, right? Because Power BI is completely now it's UI based because as you can see that Excel and Power BI doesn't have any coding part as such.
Yes, sir.
The Excel and Power BI part doesn't have any coding as such. So here we have like in what is Power BI, what is Power BI desktop, how to install it, etc. Then how to retrieve data from different sources, how to clean like remove duplicates, etc. Merge queries, all that. Like the Power Query editor which we saw in here also. Like the similar thing, not the similar, actually the same thing you can say. Because Power Query editor is something, it's a Microsoft feature because you can open it in MS Excel also, you can open it in Power BI also. Because Microsoft Power BI desktop is a Microsoft product itself. Then we have the data modeling part where there are different, like how data is related, like different tables, cardinality, etc. And in this data modeling part itself, I've merged this one also, DAX. That is data analysis expressions. That how you can write your own DAX formulas. Because using those formulas, you can create because using DAX formulas, you can create calculated columns, calculated measures, calculated tables. Like it means that you write a formula and once that like when the formula executes, a new column is created or a new table is created. or a new metric is created, a measure, or you can say metric, whatever, right? So we have that in the DAX part also. Then comes the most important part, data visualization, because Power BI is a data visualization tool, right? In Excel's main focus is not visualization. Excel's main focus is data manipulation and maintenance, right? The visualization is just a cherry on the cake on Excel, but it is very, very important. But in Power BI, the main part, the most important part is visualization. So here we are going to see how to create different kinds of charts: bar chart, line chart, area chart, matrix chart, KPI, like many, many different types of charts we are going to see in this part. And from this, we will create a dashboard, right? A similar dashboard I'll be creating, and you will be also creating, right? So this will be a third major project. So in this overall course, you will be doing three major projects. Then we have some advanced Power BI features like row level security, etc. Power BI service, like Power BI service is the cloud platform of Power BI, which you can access. Then we have end-to-end data analytics, how you can how you can do the cleaning in Power BI, Power Query, like storytelling, the most important part, like storytelling, as in like now, because till then like you will have learned that how to create a dashboard, but just creating a dashboard is not enough, right? You should be able to extract data from the dashboard. That is the most important part. Otherwise, there is no use of creating dashboard, right? So storytelling means that you take out your inference from the dashboard, and that I'm going to make you do from the start itself, from the Excel. So storytelling part, even if it is mentioned here, but I'm going to make you do it from the starting, from the first project itself, right? So and after that, so like, yeah, so basically this will be the entire roadmap of the course. And like you saw, like I showed the PPT for functions, I use similar kind of PPTs for teaching, and I'll be providing them to you as well in PDF form, and I'll be providing you assignments on regular basis for so that you can practice. Right, we will be doing practical practice in the class also, and for your practice at home also, I'll be providing you assignments. Right. So if anyone has any other doubts or questions regarding the course or anything, you can ask me right now.
Sir, basic
What?
skills needed are SQL, Power BI, and Excel. No?
Whether that those are the three things which you are going to learn in this course.
Okay.
Right.
Python is
Harish,
an optional part.
pardon?
Python is optional part. No?
No, Python is not optional. Because the data analytics is a combo course, Bhagyashree. It's a combination of Excel, SQL, Python, and Power BI.
Okay.
Right. It's not a data analytics is not a single subject. It's a combination combo course.
Yes.
Right. And that's why you will get to develop dashboards using three different things: Excel, Power BI, and Python.
Okay.
Right. So you're going to so your vocabulary, your technical vocabulary is going to expand a lot after the course.
Yes.
Harish, you had some question?
Uh, yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
What will be the batch size for this?
Pardon?
What will be the batch size
The batch
of our
time.
course? Batch size. Means how many people are going to join the batch at the time?
So right now you three are there, and
Okay.
if other students also join, they will be enrolled in the same batch itself, but only in the beginning if they join. Right? Because if the portion goes ahead, then integrating them becomes difficult.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Saranya, you have any questions? Saranya?
Yeah. Um, am I audible? Hello.
Yeah, you're audible. Yeah.
Yeah, so I had certain questions. So wanted to know like how it will be. Will it be because I know the HR this profile
Your voice
and
is not clear. Your voice is not clear actually.
1 second.
Yeah, sure.
Am I audible now?
Yeah,
Yeah, so I was saying that I'm into HR background
yeah, yeah.
profile, and like I am majorly looking into HR data analyst post,
Correct,
like profile
correct,
going forward.
correct.
So, like when we are doing the practice session as well, will
Mm-hmm.
you be going through like do you have the data set with respect to the human resource part, like how we take the department wise head count and all those stuff?
Correct, correct. No. So basically, that kind of data set, of course, I can create.
Hmm.
Like for showing a demonstration, I can particularly
Yeah.
create that kind of data set if you have a requirement. I can definitely do that.
Yeah, so you will be walking through that as well if I have any doubts, and
Yeah, definitely.
like I
And
can reach
yeah,
out to you, right?
definitely. And
Okay.
like in Excel or SQL, Excel, SQL or Power BI, like anywhere,
Mhm.
like while showing a demonstration, like for like once in a while, I'll be like if you require, I'll create that kind of example also for you. I'll create a
Okay,
HR
okay.
data set, like a sample HR data set,
Mhm.
and send it to you.
Yeah, yeah. So
You
like for practice session, so
yeah,
that it should not happen that I will finish the course and I'm still a fresher in this
no,
topic
not at all.
altogether.
Not at all.
Yeah.
Not at all.
Okay. All right.
Not
Okay.
at all. That is assured. Yeah.
Yeah.
Neha? Hello? Neha? Hello? Neha?
Just wait, sir. Neha, I think she's left.
Okay. Because actually we
Yeah,
were coming to the end of the session actually now, ma'am.
yeah,
Like
yeah. Actually, yes. Just wait 1 minute, sir. I'll check with her.
just
You
wanted
can
to give
continue.
just wanted to give her a overall gist. That's why.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Uh Hello, Neha?
हाँ sir.
Yeah, I'm audible?
Yes sir, audible.
Yeah. So Neha, in this session, I briefed everyone regarding the syllabus. So our syllabus will contain four parts. It will contain Excel, SQL, Power BI, and Python. Right?
Okay.
And in that course, we will be doing three major projects. Those will be three dashboards, basically. One dashboard using Excel, one dashboard using Python, data science library, and the third one using Power BI.
Okay.
And and my teaching method, you can see the recording of the session, and like because I showed I use proper PPTs and everything for teaching. So like, and I'm very and like I'm very open about doubts. Like any if anyone has any doubts or anything, I'm very open about it. And my sessions are very interactive usually. Like you must have like every like others must have seen right now, and like you also must be seeing right now that my sessions are very interactive. Hello.
Yes sir.
Yeah. Neha, you have any technical background currently?
I'm from technical background sir, but I
Hello.
completed. Yes yes. I I completed my degree in ENTC before.
ENTC. Okay.
Yeah.
Currently, you are working somewhere?
I'm from North. Yes, I'm working sir.
Okay. And so you have how many years of experience?
5 years.
5 years. Okay. That's very good. So you're working in ENTC itself?
No, I'm working in bank.
Okay. Okay. Correct. Not a problem. So basically, Neha, like I told everyone also, this data analytics course is a combo course, right? It's a combination of four things: Excel, SQL, Power BI, and Python.
Okay.
Right, and by the end of the course you will be able to create dashboards, you will be able to analyze data, you will be able to make reports out of that, and like every like you will become thorough in data analytics.
Okay.
Okay, so like if you have any questions or if you want to ask any questions from your side, you can.
No, I already discussed with ma'am.
Okay, okay, that's good. Right, everyone, anyone has any other questions? Bhagyashree, Harish, Saranya?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Saranya?
No.
Okay, so let's move, like let's take the journey ahead of data analytics.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Okay, Harish, Bhagyashree,
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Neha, hello.
Yes sir.
Okay, then. So we can start from Monday. So we'll end the session for today, and see you everyone on Monday, 7 p.m. Looking forward,
Okay.
everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone,
Sure.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Looking forward to have everyone on board. Thank you so much.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.
So basically.